Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error, that is Windows detected a hard disk problem. So if you're receiving this error message on Windows 7, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now in order to fix this error message, open run box, so you can go ahead and type in run in Windows search box and then click on run to open the run box, and over here you go ahead and type in gpedit.msc. This command is provided in the video description, so click on OK and then maximize this. Now over here go ahead and expand administrative templates, so click on this arrow over here to expand it, and then expand system over here, so expand it, and then find for troubleshooting and diagnostic, so select troubleshooting and diagnostic. Just go ahead and expand troubleshooting and diagnostic, and then select, go ahead and click on disk diagnostic. So just click over here, you select it, and on the right hand side here you can see the option which says disk diagnostic configure execution level. So you make a double click over here to open this, and then go ahead and select the third option which says disabled. Put a check over here and then click on apply, then click on OK, and then restart your Windows 7 computer. This error should go away. Now also I would also like to inform you that there might be issue with the hard drive if still you're facing the problem. So make sure that you run a hardware test on the computer, and when you run the hardware test, if you receive any kind of error message regarding your hard drive, then please contact your system manufacturer so that they can go ahead and replace the hard drive. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.